Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Jeep Liberty's rear windshield wiper. First, gather your tools. You'll need a new wiper blade specifically for your vehicle, a small flathead screwdriver, and a clean cloth. Having these items ready makes the process smooth and quick. This simple maintenance can greatly improve your rear visibility, especially in challenging weather conditions. Let's get started with removing the old blade. Now let's remove the old wiper blade. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the rear window until it stands upright and locks into position. Be careful not to let it snap back down. Next, look closely at where the blade connects to the arm. You'll find a small tab or button. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old blade straight off the hook. It should detach with relative ease once the tab is engaged. With the old blade removed, it's time to install your new one. Take your new wiper blade and carefully align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it's firmly attached. Finally, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the rear window. Avoid letting it drop suddenly. To ensure everything is working correctly, test your new wiper blade. Spray some water on your rear window and activate the wiper. Watch to make sure the blade makes full contact with the glass and clears the water smoothly without streaking or chattering. If it's not performing perfectly, double-check the installation. And hey, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial well-being, check the description below for a link to a fantastic book and other helpful deals. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.